Hi, I'm Hank, the product manager of ADLINK AI GPU Server, which is developed for the cutting edge of edge AI applications. ADLINK AI Server is made to face the challenges of smart manufacturing, giving you the flexibility to handle whatever you need, whether it's high-precision AOI or driving digital transformation. The ADLINK AI Server is designed for your solutions. As part of ADLINK AI Square PC family products, ADLINK AI Server is the highest performance platform, which offers the server-grade performance and reliability, with 4 high 4-lane PCIe by 16 and 1 high 4-lane PCIe by 8 slot. You have the high flexibility to create the perfect combination of GPU cards, image capture cards, and the various of acceleration options, all within a compact chassis designed for the rigorous environments of factory and automation systems. AI is now. ADLINK has built the application in our own factory and creates the great enhancement of the production efficiency and quality. ADLINK AI GPU Server is your best partner in the AI world. If you are interested in our product, please come to our website